In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a timeline on ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clear filtered timeline that shows exactly the work you want to track, and you'll know how to open tasks from the timeline to review the details. Start by opening the list that contains your project inside your workspace. If you're currently in another view, look for the view options at the top of the screen. Open that menu and choose Timeline. This switches you into a horizontal date-based view where each task appears as a bar spanning its start and due dates. If a task isn't showing, it usually means it doesn't have dates yet, so keep that in mind as you set things up. Next, let's narrow what you see so the timeline is useful at a glance. Click Filter, then select Status. This lets you decide which stages of work should appear. Toggle the statuses you care about so they're highlighted. For example, you might focus on active items and hide the ones already done. The key here is to highlight only what you want to monitor right now so your timeline stays clean and focused. Don't worry, you can always return and adjust these selections as your project evolves. If your workspace uses different task types, choose the type you want to visualize. Click the type selector and pick Ticket so the timeline shows those items. Confirm your choice to apply it. Now that the view is set, click directly on the item you want to review on the timeline. For instance, select your Draft Week 4 content task to bring it into focus. If your view offers a highlight or focus control, use it to spotlight that task and make surrounding items less prominent. This makes it easier to spot overlaps and check whether the dates align with your plan. Then do the same for another related task like Draft Week 3 content so you can compare their timelines side by side and ensure the sequence makes sense. When you're ready to dive deeper into a task, click Open. This brings up the task details where you can verify or update the start and due dates, confirm assignees, and review any notes or subtasks. Pro tip, you can often drag the bars directly on the timeline to adjust dates quickly. Also, try switching the timeline zoom between days, weeks, or months to match the level of planning you need. And if you like the configuration you've created, save the view so you can come back to it without redoing your filters. That's it. You've created a clear, focused timeline in ClickUp and learned how to filter, spotlight, and open tasks for deeper review.